Hi guys, I wanted to show you how we use place value to add, because in 3rd grade we do not teach the algorithm. So today I'm going to show you quickly how we use place value to add so that you can help your child with homework tonight. So I'm going to start with a 2-digit addition problem. Let's say we want to add 24 plus 16. Okay, so if that is our original problem, we pull out the value of each place. We're going to keep the top number the same. And what we do is we want to add by place. So we're going to be looking at the tens, and then we're going to look at the ones, and then we'll put the tens and ones back together. So when we look at the number 24, we have a digit 2 in the tens place, which has a value of 20, and a digit 1 in the tens place, which has a value of 10. And 20 plus 10 equals 30, so we write 30 beneath the problem. The next thing we do is we go to the ones place, and we're going to add the ones. And we know that 4 plus 6 equals 10, so we write that below the number. And then we add the ones and tens back together. We know that 30 plus 10 equals 40. So 24 plus 16 equals 40. Okay, let's try another 2-digit number. We're going to add 38 plus, let's do 54. So again, we're going to look at the number, and we're going to start in the tens place. We have a 3 in the tens place, which has a value of 30. We have a 5 in the tens place, which has a value of 50. And 30 plus 50 equals 80. And then we go to the ones place. We have 8 and 4. 8 plus 4 equals 12. So we write 12, making sure we line up our ones and our tens. And then we're going to add 80 plus 12, which equals 92. If you wanted to look closely, you know 0 plus 2 is 2, 8 plus 1 is 9. And that's how we add using place value. Now let's try it with some 3-digit numbers. Okay, let's say we want to add 345 plus 219. So again, I'm going to start in the highest place, which is the hundreds place. There's a digit 3. So a 3 in the hundreds place is 300. And a 2 in the hundreds place is 200. And 300 plus 200 equals 500. Then I'm going to go to the tens place. A 4 in the tens place is 40. A 1 in the tens place is 10. And 40 plus 10 equals 50. And then I'm going to go to the ones place. 5 plus 9 equals 14. So I write 14 here. And so I have my hundreds, my tens, and my ones that we're going to add together to make one number. So I have 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals 4. I have 0 plus 5 plus 1 equals 6. And 5 with nothing to add to it equals 5 in the hundreds place, which gives us an answer of 564. Then we're going to try one more 3-digit number. Let's try 678 plus 253. So again, start in the highest place, the hundreds place. We have a 600 plus 200 equals 800. We have 70 plus 50. And if you're not sure, remember to remind them you can count by tens. So I can start at 70 and count up 5 tens, which would be 70 in my head. Then I go 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So 70 plus 50 is 120. And then I'm going to add my ones place. 8 plus 3 is 11. And then I'm going to add those numbers together. I get 1, 2 and 1 make 3, or 20 plus 10 makes 30. And 800 plus 100 equals 900. And so then you have the sum of 931. Hey, I hope that helps you out a little bit at home tonight. So have fun adding with place value. Bye.